In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code Outlook emails. Color coding your messages is a simple way to make your inbox easier to scan, so you can spot important emails at a glance and stay organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and I'll explain what each option does so you know exactly what you're changing. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the Mail view, looking at your inbox. Color coding in Outlook is done using conditional formatting, which means Outlook will automatically change how emails look based on rules you define, like who they're from or what's in the subject line. To get started, go to the View tab at the top of the window. In the View tab, look for the View Settings button. Click that and a new window will pop up with several configuration options for how your current mailbox view looks. This is where we'll set up our color rules. In the View Settings window, click on Conditional Formatting. You'll see a list of existing rules that Outlook already uses, such as unread messages usually appearing in bold. To create your own custom color rule, click the Add button. Give your rule a clear descriptive name like From Manager or Project Updates, so you'll know what it does if you come back to it later. With your new rule selected, click the Font button. Here, you can choose the color you want your matching emails to appear in. You can also change the style, such as bold or italic, and even the font size if you want those emails to stand out more. Pick a color that's easy to see, but not too harsh on the eyes. For example, a dark blue or green usually works well. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to confirm. Now we need to tell Outlook which emails this color rule applies to. Click the Condition button. This opens another window where you can set the criteria for the rule. You can choose emails from specific people, messages with certain words in the subject line, or even emails sent only to you. Set the conditions that match how you want to organize your inbox. Then click OK. Finally, click OK again to close the conditional formatting window, and one more time to close View Settings. Your inbox will refresh, and any emails that match your new rule should instantly appear in the color you chose. You can repeat this process to create different color rules for different types of emails, helping you prioritize and manage your inbox more efficiently.